wedding day is good luck or is only rain? तो मतलब क्या snow गिरना भी good luck होता है, फिर rain होना good luck होता है, or is just rain just ironic? Enzo yawns, still in the bed. He says, how about Felicity? Felicity, I repeat. What is wrong with Felicity? I shrug. I don't know. It's just not my favorite name in the whole world. Okay, then you tell me. What is your favorite name in the whole world? Ever since we found out at our last OBGYN appointment that we are having a baby girl, we have at least 3 conversations every day about baby names. So they are just deciding the baby names, or more accurately, we have at least 3 conversations every day where one of us suggests a baby name and other explains why it sucks. We will manage to agree on something in the next 4 months, or else our baby girl will go through life nameless. तो या तो हम 4 महीने में नाम रख देंगे या फिर हमारी बेबी गर्ल जो होगी वो नेमलेस होगी पूरी लाइफ टाइम. लेट्स पुट अ पेन इन द बेबी नेम डिस्कशन फॉर नाउ. ऐसे तो अभी इस बेबी के नाम के डिस्कशन को यहीं पे स्टॉप करते हैं और लेट्स टेक अ शावर. बट आई लाइक फेलिसिटी. या वेल आई लाइक Nadine. Enzo makes a face. Okay, we put the pin in for now. I'm about to head into the bathroom to shower when my phone starts ringing again. Enzo glances at it and starts to pick it up for me, but I make a mad dash across the room to snatch it up before he can. तो दोबारा फ़ोन आया. Enzo उठाने जा रहा था बट उससे पहले मैंने उसको स्नैच कर लिया. When I get a look at the screen, I'm glad I didn't let Enzo answer the call. The 718 number flashing is unfamiliar. तो 718 करके कोई नंबर था जो कि अनफेमिलियर था, एंड आई एम ऑलमोस्ट पॉजिटिव इट्स द सेम नंबर दैट वोक मी अप दिस मॉर्निंग. तो आई थिंक ये वही नंबर है जिसने मुझे सुबह उठाया था. आई सेंड कॉल टू वॉइस मेल. आई एम नॉट इन द मूड फॉर अनदर डेथ थ्रेट. तो मैंने उसको वॉइस मेल पर जाने दिया क्योंकि मैं अनदर डेथ थ्रेट के लिए बिल्कुल भी मेरा मूड नहीं है. स्पैम अगेन, आई से. He nods sympathetically but doesn't ask any question. तो उसने मुझसे कोई क्वेश्चन नहीं पूछा. And he has a right to ask question, especially when I take the phone with me into the bathroom for my shower. तो उसके पूरा हक है कि वो मुझसे पूछे कि मतलब मैं नहाते हुए अपने शावर में अपना फ़ोन क्यों लेके गई थी. बट ही कीप्स हिज माउथ शट. पर उसने अपना मुंह बंद रखा. It's pure thing to do, but I can't risk him picking up and hearing that voice telling me that he's going to cut my throat. तो मैं नहीं चाहती थी कि वो सुने कि कोई मेरा गला काटना चाहता है. Enzo will lose his mind if he hears that. He will not just shrug it off and go about this day. I'll tell him all about it tomorrow. तो अगर वो सुन लेगा वो बिल्कुल बहुत ही worried हो जाएगा और वो इस दिन को ठीक से पूरा नहीं होने देगा. मैं उसको इस बारे में कल बताऊंगी. I take a quick shower, noticing that my bell has popped out a lot more in the week. वो बोल रही है कि जो उसका बेली है वो उसको ऐसा लग रहा है कि और ज़्यादा पॉप आउट हो गया है more than the last week. A month ago, you couldn't tell I was pregnant at all, even without any clothes on. At worst, it looked like I had a food baby. But it's becoming increasingly obvious that something is growing inside me. कुछ टाइम पहले पता भी नहीं चलता था that I'm pregnant, but now it's feel like that I'm pregnant. My baby, little Nadine, or not, but definitely not Felicity. After I finish my shower, I leave the bathroom wrapped in a skimpy towel. Enzo is still in bed, scrolling on his phone as I make my way to the closet where my wedding dresses hang up inside. As we are not having a traditional wedding, I do not have a traditional wedding dress. तो जैसे हम traditional wedding नहीं कर रहे तो मेरे को ऐसी traditional ऐसे dress नहीं है. First of all, it's not white. I hate the color. And not only that, see, it seems widely inappropriate given my situation. So a few weeks ago, I went to Macy's and purchased an A-line blue dress. So it's a blue color dress, A-line with lace sleeves. It was marked down from nearly $300 to just 100, over 100, which was barely in our budget, but I bought it anyway. Because for God's sake, it's our wedding. Plus, the dress can serve as both my something new and my something blue. It also has a scoop neck, which will be perfect to show off my something old, which will be a gold locket necklace that my mother is bringing me. तो उसकी मम्मा उसके लिए वो गोल्ड नेकलेस लेकर आ रही हैं. The necklace is an heirloom passed down from her mother and her mother before her. Honestly, I never thought she would ever pass that necklace on to me. And it means much more that I'll be receiving it on my wedding day. तो मुझे मेरे को मैं सोच भी नहीं सकती थी कि वो नेकलेस मेरी मम्मी से मुझे मिलेगा और वो भी मेरे वेडिंग डे पर. You are not supposed to see me in this dress. I cast a worried look at Enzo. It's bad luck. It's not supposed to see you at all. He reminds me. Anyways, I saw it already. Remember, you did fashion show when you came home. Alright, that makes me feel a little better. I guess I should stop being so superstitious. He grins at me. It is cute. Anyways, this is your wedding day. You are all allowed to be peasant. He has used that word multiple times to refer to me. I haven't looked it up because I'm not sure I want to know. I don't think it's a compliment, but I let it slide. The towel falls from my body and Enzo let out a deprecative whistle. I take the blue dress off the hanger and slide my leg into the silky fabric. I purchase a brand new pair of just for today and then an extra pair in case I get a rip. I have thought of everything. I'm prepared for any emergency. Today is going to be perfect. Except, oh no, this stupid thread doesn't zip up anymore. For today, the second chapter read किया है. Next 2-3 chapters या जितने भी chapters हो सकेंगे, I will cover it tomorrow. So stay tuned, guys. I hope you like the video and hope you are enjoying the book reading. Thank you so much for watching, guys.